Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travels. Hey, we are in Lecce today, and I'm telling you, we had a fabulous meeting with somebody very, very special that you're going to get to see a lot because she's living here and she's opening up property markets for us, and we're going to collaborate with her because she's fabulous. Lecce is gorgeous. It's known as the Florence of the South, and we're going to turn this around so you can see exactly why. Gorgeous lunch today. I actually found an avocado toast here that was just fabulous here in Lecce. We turned the corner and look at this. Oh my goodness, right up there on top of the building. And Lecce is so pretty. We're gonna run around and just show you little snippets of it because there's so many beautiful things to see. Let's go take a look. Centro Storico is actually huge. We got lost with our car in it, and it took us a while to get out. And then we had to park a long ways away. But just look at this place. Oh, check this out. All kinds of shops, all kinds of beautiful restaurants, all kinds of wine bars, and just some of the most unbelievable architecture I think I've ever seen. Okay, if you're a shopping queen like Chris, you're gonna love it here. And then you turn the corner. Oh my goodness. Here in Lecce, and you can see that it is absolutely meticulously planned out. It's a really, really good, beautiful example of the Lecce Baroque style, which makes Lecce so famous. It's actually the Florence of the South because of this particular architecture. Now, this courtyard and the whole area surrounding it has all been designed with an eye toward balance, and just you can tell when you're in it that everything is just impeccably in place. So let's go take a look. I don't know how to explain just the feel of this place, the feeling of space in this piazza, the unbelievably ornate architecture here, and just Lecce is a very, very special place. Gosh, we're just loving it here in Lecce. I'm going to turn this around so you can see this beautiful piazza. I did want to say a couple of things. We had a very nice conversation with a man named Michael who lived here from Boston. Hello, Michael. I know you're probably watching on the channel because we had a great time today. And he had some really good points. He said that Lecce especially is a really good place for people who feel like they don't know how to assimilate, or they can't assimilate, or they for some reason are having trouble assimilating. You can get around knowing English here. People speak English. And he says, I've been here a year, I haven't had any trouble. We somehow make it all work. We make it all work, but there's a lot of English here. So those of you who think you're gonna have trouble with the language, Lecce might be the ideal spot for you. Another thing I'm seeing is there's a lot of flat. I mean, Puglia itself is pretty flat, so if you have mobility issues, that's another big selling point. Beautiful piazza, unbelievable architecture here. Look at this, there's a massive palazzo, or a church, I don't even know what it is. It's something awesome though. I gotta say, all the little corner restaurants, all the little wine bars, all the little pizza places, all the shops, this place is really, really cool. Okay, so that is kind of it for our little quickie tour of Lecce. We're going to be back this summer, and we're going to go play with my friend Michelle, who you're going to meet, and our new friend Michael, who's going to tell you what life in Lecce is like. So stay tuned, you guys.